Have you ever wondered if you have the gift of clairvoyance? Have you felt a deep sense of intuition guiding you, or perhaps seen vivid images in your mind's eye that seem to hold a special significance? If these questions resonate with you, you're in the right place. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of clairvoyance, exploring how you can awaken and develop this extraordinary ability within yourself. This video will guide you through the steps to unlock your clairvoyant potential, offering practical techniques and insights to help you on this path. So, let's embark on this enlightening exploration together. Clairvoyance, derived from the French words clair meaning clear and voyance meaning vision, refers to the ability to gain information about an object, person, location, or event through extrasensory perception. Unlike our ordinary sense of sight, clairvoyance involves perceiving things beyond the physical realm, often through mental images, symbols, or intuitive flashes. To fully grasp the concept of clairvoyance, it's essential to understand that it's one of the many psychic abilities, each with its unique characteristics. While clairvoyance is focused on clear seeing, other abilities include clairaudience, clear hearing, clairsentience, clear feeling, and claircognizance, clear knowing. Each of these abilities taps into a different aspect of our intuitive faculties, allowing us to receive information in various forms. Historically, clairvoyance has been revered and respected in many cultures worldwide. Ancient civilizations, such as the Egyptians and Greeks, held clairvoyants and seers in high esteem, often consulting them for guidance and prophecy. Similarly, many indigenous cultures have shamans and medicine people who use their clairvoyant abilities to heal and offer wisdom to their communities. By understanding the rich historical context of clairvoyance, we can appreciate its significance and potential in our modern lives. You might be wondering if you have the potential to develop clairvoyant abilities. The truth is, many people possess these latent abilities, but may not recognize them. Here are some common signs that suggest you might have a natural inclination towards clairvoyance. Firstly, vivid and recurring dreams can be a strong indicator. If you frequently have dreams that are incredibly detailed and lifelike, or if you experience recurring themes or symbols, this could be a sign of your clairvoyant potential. Dreams are a powerful way for our subconscious mind to communicate with us, and for those with clairvoyant abilities, dreams can often contain messages and insights from beyond the physical realm. Another sign is having a strong intuition. Do you often get a gut feeling about situations or people that later prove to be accurate? Clairvoyants often have a heightened sense of intuition, allowing them to perceive information that others might miss. This intuitive guidance can manifest as a sudden knowing, a hunch, or an inner voice that steers you in the right direction. Seeing flashes of light or colors, especially in your peripheral vision, is another common sign. These flashes can appear as orbs, sparkles, or even brief glimpses of a person or scene. While these visions might seem fleeting or insignificant, they are often the first signs of your clairvoyant abilities beginning to awaken. Additionally, if you have a natural affinity for visual arts or have a highly developed imagination, this can also indicate clairvoyant potential. Those with a strong visual sense often find it easier to receive and interpret clairvoyant images, as they are already accustomed to thinking and perceiving in visual terms. Encouraging viewers to reflect on their own experiences can help them recognize these signs in their lives. By identifying these potential indicators, you can start to nurture and develop your clairvoyant abilities, opening yourself up to a deeper level of awareness and insight. Meditation is a cornerstone practice for developing clairvoyance. It helps to quiet the mind, enhance focus, and create a receptive state for intuitive insights. When we meditate, we create a space of stillness and clarity, allowing us to tune into the subtle energies and messages from beyond the physical realm. There are several meditation techniques specifically designed to enhance clairvoyant abilities. One simple yet effective technique is the practice of focusing on a single point of light. Sit comfortably in a quiet place, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to relax. Visualize a bright point of light in your mind's eye and concentrate on this light, allowing it to grow and expand. As you focus on this light, you may begin to see images or receive intuitive impressions. This practice helps to strengthen your mental focus and open your third eye, the energy center associated with clairvoyance. Another powerful meditation technique is guided visualization. In this practice, you listen to a guided meditation that leads you through a series of visualizations designed to enhance your clairvoyant abilities. These guided meditations often include imagery of ascending to higher realms, meeting spirit guides, or exploring mystical landscapes. By regularly practicing guided visualization, you can train your mind to receive and interpret clairvoyant images more clearly. Establishing a regular meditation practice is crucial for developing clairvoyance. Aim to meditate daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Consistency is key, as regular practice helps to build the neural pathways associated with clairvoyant perception. Over time, you will find that your ability to receive and interpret clairvoyant images becomes stronger and more reliable. Intuition is the foundation upon which clairvoyance is built. Strengthening your intuition can greatly enhance your clairvoyant abilities, allowing you to receive clearer and more accurate insights. Here are some practical exercises to help you develop your intuition. One effective exercise is intuitive journaling. Set aside a few minutes each day to write down any intuitive thoughts, feelings, or impressions you receive. This could include gut feelings, hunches, or spontaneous insights that come to you throughout the day. By keeping a journal, you can start to recognize patterns and validate your intuitive experiences, building confidence in your intuitive abilities. Mindfulness practices can also help to strengthen your intuition. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment, allowing you to become more aware of your inner thoughts and feelings. Try incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine by taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breath, observe your surroundings, or tune into your body's sensations. This heightened awareness can help you to recognize and trust your intuitive guidance. Trusting your inner guidance is essential for developing clairvoyance. Often, our intuitive insights can be subtle and easily dismissed. By learning to trust and act on your intuition, you create a positive feedback loop that reinforces your intuitive abilities. Start by paying attention to your gut feelings and acting on them, even if they don't make logical sense at the moment. Over time, you will find that your intuition becomes stronger and more reliable. Visualization exercises are a powerful tool for developing clairvoyance. These exercises help to train your mind to receive and interpret clairvoyant images, making it easier to access your clairvoyant abilities. Here are some effective visualization exercises to help you get started. One basic visualization exercise involves imagining a specific object in your mind's eye. Choose a simple object, such as a flower or a candle, and visualize it in as much detail as possible. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures of the object, and try to hold the image in your mind for as long as possible. This exercise helps to strengthen your mental focus and enhance your ability to visualize clearly. Another powerful visualization exercise is the practice of creating a mental movie. Close your eyes and imagine a scene or scenario in your mind's eye. This could be a peaceful garden, a beach, or a mystical landscape. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the scene, noticing the sights, sounds, and sensations around you. As you practice this exercise, you may begin to receive intuitive insights or images related to your clairvoyant abilities. Guided visualization exercises can also be helpful. Listen to a guided meditation that leads you through a series of visualizations designed to enhance your clairvoyant abilities. These meditations often include imagery of ascending to higher realms, meeting spirit guides, or exploring mystical landscapes. By regularly practicing guided visualization, you can train your mind to receive and interpret clairvoyant images more clearly. Mental and emotional blocks can hinder the development of clairvoyant abilities. These blocks often stem from fear, doubt, or past negative experiences, creating barriers that prevent us from accessing our intuitive insights. Here are some techniques for clearing these blocks and creating a receptive state for clairvoyance. Energy healing practices, such as Reiki or chakra balancing, can help to clear energetic blocks and promote a free flow of energy throughout the body. These practices involve working with the body's energy centers or chakras to release stagnant or negative energy and restore balance. By clearing these energetic blocks, you can create a more receptive state for clairvoyant insights. Affirmations are another powerful tool for clearing mental and emotional blocks. Affirmations are positive statements that help to reprogram the subconscious mind and shift negative thought patterns. Create affirmations that resonate with you, such as, "I trust my clairvoyant abilities," or "I am open to receiving intuitive insights." Repeat these affirmations daily, either silently or aloud, to reinforce positive beliefs and create a supportive mindset for clairvoyance. Emotional release practices such as journaling or expressive arts can help to clear emotional blocks and promote healing. Allow yourself to express and release any emotions that may be holding you back, whether through writing, drawing, or other creative outlets. By releasing these emotions, you can create a clear and open channel for intuitive insights. Various tools can aid in the development of clairvoyance, helping to enhance and refine your abilities. Here are some commonly used tools and how to incorporate them into your practice. Crystals are a popular tool for enhancing clairvoyance. Certain crystals, such as amethyst, clear quartz, and labradorite, are believed to stimulate the third eye and enhance psychic abilities. You can use these crystals by placing them on your third eye during meditation, carrying them with you, or creating a crystal grid in your space. The energy of the crystals can help to amplify your clairvoyant abilities and create a receptive state for intuitive insights. Tarot cards are another powerful tool for developing clairvoyance. Tarot cards are a form of divination that uses symbolic imagery to provide guidance and insight. By practicing with tarot cards, you can strengthen your intuitive abilities and develop a deeper connection to your clairvoyant insights. Start by pulling a card each day and reflecting on its meaning, paying attention to any intuitive impressions you receive. Pendulums can also be used to enhance clairvoyance. A pendulum is a weighted object suspended from a string or chain, used to receive answers to yes or no questions. To use a pendulum, hold it steady and ask a clear question, then observe the direction in which it swings. The pendulum can help to provide clarity and confirmation of your intuitive insights, helping you to trust and develop your clairvoyant abilities. When selecting tools for clairvoyance, choose those that resonate with you and feel right for your practice. Trust your intuition when selecting and using these tools, and be open to experimenting with different methods to find what works best for you. Setting clear intentions is crucial for developing clairvoyance. Intentions help to focus your practice and create a clear direction for your intuitive insights. Here are some tips for creating powerful intentions to guide your clairvoyant practice. Start by taking a few moments to reflect on your goals and desires related to clairvoyance. What do you hope to achieve through your practice? What specific areas of your life would you like to receive guidance on? By clarifying your goals, you can create focused and specific intentions to guide your practice. When creating intentions, use positive and empowering language. Instead of focusing on what you don't want, frame your intentions in terms of what you do want. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be confused," say, "I seek clarity and insight." Positive intentions help to create a supportive mindset and attract positive outcomes. Once you have created your intentions, write them down and keep them in a place where you can see them regularly. This could be in a journal, on a sticky note, or on a vision board. By keeping your intentions visible, you can remind yourself of your goals and stay focused on your practice. Before each practice session, take a few moments to set your intentions. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and repeat your intentions silently or aloud. Visualize your intentions as already fulfilled, feeling the positive emotions associated with achieving your goals. This practice helps to align your energy with your intentions and create a receptive state for clairvoyant insights. As you develop your clairvoyant abilities, you will begin to receive visions and intuitive insights. Recognizing and interpreting these visions is a crucial step in developing your clairvoyance. Here are some tips for understanding and making sense of your clairvoyant experiences. Visions can come in many forms, including mental images, symbols, or scenes. These visions may be fleeting or vivid, and they may appear in your mind's eye or during meditation. Pay attention to any images or impressions that come to you, even if they seem random or insignificant. Often, these visions contain valuable messages and insights. To interpret your visions, start by observing them without judgment. Notice the colors, shapes, and details of the images, and pay attention to any emotions or sensations you experience. Try to capture the essence of the vision without analyzing it too deeply. By staying open and curious, you can allow the meaning of the vision to reveal itself. Keep a journal to record your visions and intuitive insights. Write down the details of each vision, including any emotions or sensations you experienced. Over time, you may start to notice patterns or recurring themes in your visions, helping you to understand their deeper meaning. Distinguishing between symbolic and literal visions is an important skill in interpreting clairvoyant insights. Some visions may be symbolic, representing deeper truths or messages, while others may be more literal and direct. Trust your intuition to guide you in interpreting the meaning of your visions, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from trusted sources or mentors. Developing clairvoyance is not just about receiving visions and insights, it's also about integrating these abilities into your daily life. Here are some practical ways to incorporate clairvoyant insights into your everyday routine. Use your clairvoyant insights to enhance decision-making. When faced with a choice or dilemma, take a moment to tune into your intuition and see if any visions or insights come to you. Trust your inner guidance to help you make decisions that align with your highest good. Clairvoyance can also be a valuable tool for problem-solving. If you're struggling with a particular issue, try meditating on the problem and see if any intuitive solutions or insights come to you. Often, your clairvoyant abilities can provide creative and innovative solutions that you might not have considered otherwise. Incorporating clairvoyance into your creative pursuits can also be highly rewarding. Whether you're an artist, writer, musician, or any other type of creative, using your clairvoyant insights can help to inspire and enhance your work. Allow your visions and intuitive impressions to guide your creative process and see how they can add depth and richness to your creations. Sharing your clairvoyant insights with a supportive community can also be beneficial. Find like-minded individuals who share your interest in clairvoyance and spirituality, and create a space where you can share your experiences and insights. This can help to validate your experiences and provide encouragement and support on your path. As we come to the end of this exploration into clairvoyance, remember that unlocking your clairvoyant abilities is a rewarding process that can transform your life in profound ways. By understanding the basics of clairvoyance, recognizing the signs of your potential, and practicing techniques such as meditation, visualization, and using tools, you can develop your abilities and integrate them into your daily life. Trust in your intuition and stay patient and persistent in your practice. As you continue on this path, you will find that your clairvoyant abilities become stronger and more reliable, providing you with valuable insights and guidance. Embrace the journey of discovering your inner vision and allow it to lead you to greater clarity, purpose, and fulfillment. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of clairvoyance. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more content on personal and spiritual growth. Remember, the power to unlock your clairvoyant abilities lies within you. Trust in your inner vision and let it guide you towards a brighter and more enlightened future.